Good day, ma'am. I am Donna May Torres Havana from Valentina La Paz, Agusan del Sur. My course is Bidal Ed IA, Section A. Information and Communication Technology has revolutionized modern life, encompassing everything from computers and smartphones to the internet and social media. Its impact is undeniable. It has revolutionized communication, transforming education, and empowered business. ICT has bridged geographically barriers, allowing us to connect instantly with people across the globe. Online learning platforms and ebooks have made knowledge more accessible and personalized, democ- democratizing education. Businesses leverage ICT to streamline operations, expand their reach, and increase productivity, driving a competitive global market. Beyond communication, education, and businesses, ICT has transformed healthcare and entertainment. Telemedicine provides remote access to healthcare, while medical databases and wearable technologies enhance research and personalized care. We enjoy a vast library of entertainment through streaming services and immersive video games. To understand ICT, we need to understand its components, hardware and software. Hardware, the physical parts of a system, includes input devices like keyboards, output devices like monitors, and storage devices like hard drives. Software, the set of instructions that tells hardware what to do, includes system software that manages basic computers operations and application software like word processors and spreadsheets. By understanding this application, we can leverage ICT's powers for communications, education, work, and entertainment. That's all, ma'am. Thank you.